Morning Trip NT. This is Sebastian. I am back in the cleaning room closet. It's looking much better. And today I've got a problem. I'm gonna give everything a very visual home, and I'm also gonna standardize some of the bottles that are back here. So that should help prevent some waste. I know you know which ones they'll be. So anyway, I'll be back. Okay, Trip and T, I am back. I removed this, well, someone threw it away, but there was the holder for here, so we didn't need that anymore. And then I made these really high-speed window squeegee tools. And, oh, I can see right here, I think we have a little defect, okay? Go ahead and fix that. But you can definitely tell if it's not there. You can tell if it is there. And same goes with these. These are labeled, so we know which window washer has brought their stuff back. But also I went ahead, I did make these separate pieces because I thought that maybe one day it's possible that they might put them in different locations to save motion and maybe even transportation. So that option is out there. But anyway, the saga continues.